Want to learn how to make a paleo oatmeal? Watch this video to learn my favorite recipe for paleo porridge. It's like oatmeal, but without the oats. Hey meal preppers, it's Allison, Prep Dish founder, here to help you create a happier, healthier mealtime. This recipe came at the request of my meal plan subscribers looking for a grain-free paleo oatmeal, Noatmeal for short, and has quickly become a favorite recipe amongst my thousands of meal plan subscribers. The base of this recipe is flax, which will really help to give you the consistency of oatmeal. I'll sometimes refer to this as a flax oatmeal or a flax porridge. So let's jump in with the recipe. Heat 1 cup milk or water in a saucepan over medium heat. Add 3 tablespoons coconut flour, 1/4 cup shredded coconut, 2 tablespoons flax meal, or if you're using whole flax seed, you'll want to grind it first to make your own flax meal. Then add 1/2 teaspoon vanilla, 1/2 teaspoon cinnamon. Cook for 1 to 2 minutes or until soft and heated through. From here, you will divide your porridge into 2 bowls and top with your toppings of choice. So nuts like pecans, sliced almonds or walnuts, fruits like berries, grated apples or peaches, and then add your sweetener of choice, honey or maple syrup, and this step is optional. One of my favorite combos is apples, pecans, and maple syrup. I also like fresh raspberries, sliced almonds, and honey. So there you have it. That is my paleo oatmeal. So a quick note on meal prep. If you want to prep these flaxseed oatmeals at the beginning of the week during your meal prep, I would simply mix together all of the dry ingredients. So you'll add 3 tablespoons coconut flour, 1/4 cup shredded coconut, 2 tablespoons flax meal, or if you're using whole flaxseed, you'll want to grind it first to make your flax meal, and a 1/2 teaspoon cinnamon. Make a separate container for each day of the week you plan to prep the Noatmeal. Then at breakfast, you can add all of these to 1 cup of milk and add your vanilla, and of course, all of the toppings. So that's how I meal prep my paleo breakfast porridge. If you're looking for more paleo recipes like this flaxseed porridge, check out my meal prep meal plans linked below. You can download a free paleo meal plan by signing up for my newsletter below. Let me know in the comments below, what version of my Noatmeal do you plan to try first? Will you use the grated apples and pecans, the berries, sliced almonds and honey, or something else for your paleo porridge? If this video is helpful, be sure to subscribe, share with a friend, and hit that like button so I know to make more videos like this. See you in the next one.